warm-ups and our vowel of the week. So let's start out by, we're going to stretch our jaw. We're going to rub the sides of our cheeks right in front of our ears where your jaw hinges. You can hear it. You can feel it when you open your mouth. We're just going to rub. We're going to take the palm of our hand, stroke down our cheek, let our mouth hang open. Feels weird, but this is the way that Americans hold their mouth in a neutral position. Jaws loose and open. Mouth is slightly open. Tongue is flat and relaxed. And you can make a sound, ah, ah. You can see my tongue in there. It's not coming out. It's not pulled back. And you can see it's really flat. It's not tensed. Ah, ah. That is the neutral sound of American English, the schwa. So next we're going to do some warm-up that uses that schwa and also uses some bigger sounds in American English. So you can repeat after me. Enough. 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 When you're doing these exercises, try to use the same tone that I'm using. Here I'm falling. My pitch is starting high and then it falls. Enough. We'll do each of these words 3 times. About. 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 Next, allowed. 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 You can see how my mouth is really short and small for that first sound, that neutral vowel. But then for that second syllable, ow, my mouth gets really big and there's a lot of movement. Next, it was. It was. It was. Last one, alive. 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 Okay, so now let's move on to our vowel of the week, which is the sound. And we're going to do it in some words. First, I want to make sure you have that You're not pulling your tongue back. It's not an aw. It's not an ah. It's not an o. It's not an o. My lips are flat. My tongue is flat. The only muscle that's moving is like right in the middle of my tongue, is if you're pushing a tiny pin down into the middle of your tongue. Let's try to put that into some words. Was. Was. Does. Does. What. What. Stuff. Stuff. Come. Come. From. From. Some. Some. Love. Love. Cup. Cup. Nut. Nut. Okay, that is our warm-up for today. And we will be back next time with that same vowel sound, the Keep practicing that today and notice when you hear American speakers using that sound. Bye.